you're married, and it's just ridiculous. And it's like when I said it, I just sort of like I floated up out of my body, you know, and then I heard myself say it, and then the floating rage. It's like, you are such an idiot.
He was trying to build some sort of armed robot to keep me out of his room.
Made necessary by her insistence on going into my room.
Anyway, I go to make those little corn muffins they give you. There's a big flash. Next thing you know, my eyebrows are gone.
I feel like I need to have one last fling, you know, just to sort of get it out of my system.
Rachel, stop.
You're so bad.
In English phrasal verbs, we will learn the verb, sort out. It means 1. To arrange or separate things into groups according to similarities. Examples: make sure you sort out the dark clothes from the whites before doing the laundry. The store manager had his employees sort out and discard all the expired products on the shelves. 2. To correct a misunderstanding or to solve a problem. Examples: I'm having a hard time sorting out this problem with my bank.Aluminum foil was used on television antennas to sort out reception issues back in the day. Now, let's see how sort out is used in real life.
And it's like when I said it, I just sort of like I floated up out of my body, you know, and then I heard myself say it, and then the floating rage.
You know, just to sort of get it out of my system.
Rachel, stop.
You're so bad.
To keep me out of his room.
Made necessary by her insistence on going into my room.
Anyway, I go to make those little corn muffins they give you.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.